Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. This recipe is for a serving of 6 wings. Place them in a mixing bowl and then coat with your seasoning and a tablespoon of olive oil or some low flavored oil. After about 5 minutes, allowing the air fryer to get up to temperature, add the chicken wings to it and then cook for a half hour. Every 5 minutes, check on the chicken wings and give them a shake. That way they don't stick to the bottom of the air fryer bucket and will be allowed to crisp up evenly on all sides. The sauce for this recipe is also low carb. It consists of about a tablespoon of Tabasco sauce mixed with about a half a stick of butter, melted, and then just coat them evenly. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.